Best airflow mesh PC cases improve cooling, reduce heat buildup, enhance performance, extend component lifespan, and ensure stable gaming workloads. My today's video is about top 5 best airflow mesh PC cases that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Lian Li V100 ATX Mid-Tower PC Case. This PC case is designed for both performance and aesthetics, making it an excellent choice for modern gaming and high-end builds. It comes with 4 pre-installed 120mm PWM ARGB fans that deliver strong, adjustable airflow while maintaining quiet operation. With speeds up to 1,800 revolutions per minute and airflow reaching 61.47 CFM. Cooling efficiency is highly reliable even under heavy workloads. The hydraulic bearings ensure long-lasting durability with reduced noise levels between 26.5 to 30.8 dBA. That a standout feature is the unique slanted PSU shroud with a display platform, perfect for showcasing figures or collectibles while keeping the interior clean and organized. The integrated 26 LED RGB strip enhances visual appeal with full motherboard sync support for immersive lighting effects. Toolless side panels make installation and upgrades effortless. It also supports back-connect ATX and micro ATX motherboards, large GPUs up to 420mm, and CPU coolers up to 178mm, ensuring excellent compatibility for powerful builds. Now our second product is Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L Micro ATX PC Case. This PC case offers a well-balanced combination of airflow, flexibility, and clean aesthetics, making it ideal for compact yet powerful builds. With support for micro ATX and mini IDX motherboards, it provides ample interior space for easy assembly and future upgrades. Component clearance is thoughtfully designed, accommodating CPU coolers up to 159mm, GPUs up to 360mm, and PSUs up to 160mm, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of hardware. Cooling performance is a strong highlight, with support for a 240mm liquid cooler and up to 5 fans, helping maintain stable temperatures even during heavy workloads. The open thermal design, with perforated panels on all sides, significantly improves airflow and heat dissipation. The edge-to-edge transparent side panel beautifully showcases your build, while magnetic dust filters add both protection and a refined visual touch. That a standout feature is the modular I/O panel, which can be repositioned on the front, top, or bottom, offering excellent customization for different setups. Our third product is NZXT H5 Flow 2024 Compact PC Gaming Case. This PC case is engineered for strong thermal performance and clean system building, making it a solid choice for gaming and high-performance setups. A key highlight is its exceptional GPU cooling design, with a perforated PSU shroud enhances airflow by allowing fresh intake from optional 120mm fans, directly targeting graphics card temperatures. Cooling flexibility is impressive, with support for up to a 360mm radiator in the front and a 240mm radiator on top, giving users strong liquid cooling potential for demanding CPUs. The ultra-fine mesh panels across the top, front, and side further improve airflow while effectively blocking dust buildup. Out of the box, it includes 2 120mm quiet airflow fans, 1 front intake and 1 rear exhaust, ensuring balanced airflow from start. Cable management is also well thought out, with wide routing channels, hooks, and straps that keep the interior clean and organized. Overall, it's a performance-focused case built for cooling efficiency and neat aesthetics. Now number 4, Corsair Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. This PC case delivers a premium blend of customization, airflow, and modern cooling engineering, making it ideal for high-end gaming and enthusiast builds. At its core is the frame modular case system, which redefines flexibility by allowing deep customization, from upgrading the motherboard tray to billet aluminum to swapping the front I/O panel for expanded connectivity. This makes the case future-proof and adaptable to evolving needs. Cooling performance is outstanding with 3 pre-installed Corsair RS ARGB PWM fans, offering daisy-chain PWM control, 0 RPM silent mode, and vibrant RGB lighting powered via A+5E header. Airflow is further enhanced by the Corsair InfiniRail fan mounting system, enabling precise placement of fans up to 200 mm for targeted cooling. The 3D Y-pattern steel front panel ensures minimal airflow restriction, while the internal layout offers dual functionality, either clean cable management or additional side-mounted fan support for turbo cooling. Overall, it's a highly engineered case built for performance and personalization. And our last choice is Height Y70 Touch Infinite Modern Aesthetic Gaming PC Case. The Height Y70 Touch Infinite redefines what a modern gaming PC case can be by blending high-end performance with an immersive visual experience. Its standout feature is the massive 14.9-inch integrated LCD touchscreen, offering a sharp 2.5K resolution, 682 by 2560, 60 Hz refresh rate, and 10-point multi-touch support. Powered by HYT Nexus software, the display allows deep customization, making the case both functional and interactive. The newer panel is also 43% brighter, enhancing visibility and visual impact. Aesthetically, the case delivers a unified, premium look with a 3-piece panoramic glass design and dual-chamber layout, available in 4 elegant color options. The vertical GPU mounting system supports 4-slot graphics cards and includes a PCIe 4.0x16 riser with a color-match canopy for a seamless display-focused build. Cooling performance is equally impressive, supporting up to a 360mm side radiator and flexible top mounting, plus bottom cold floor airflow options. With support for up to 10 fans, it ensures exceptional thermal efficiency for demanding systems. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.